what kind of change and what vision am I bringing into this new position of Vice Provost for Innovation? So I've most recently been Department Chair of Electrical Engineering, where there's a lot of innovation, a lot of startups coming out of the 17 startups which came out of UW last year. This department, the EE department, was involved in 5 startups. So there's a lot of entrepreneurship activity going on here. I myself did a startup a few years ago which was funded by VCs in town, Medrona and WRF. And I saw the whole process from the start of ideation through bringing in funding, through actually raising venture funding, and then going out and building a company, and finally to acquisition. It's quite challenging for faculty to manage both routes, to be academic, to go through the tenure system, and yet to be able to do startups. So what I'd like to do in this new position is, one, of course, to learn from Lyndon Rhodes, who's been absolutely fantastic at raising the quality of C4C and bringing in people from outside and engaging people from inside, but also seeing how we can engage further with the academic mission, whether it's through defining new incentives for faculty, whether it's through new entrepreneurship programs across campus. And I think that's the most exciting thing that I feel that I could bring to the table. Innovation is becoming an important part of the curriculum at every level. Now, we've traditionally thought of deep research coming out of universities, where PhD students and their advisors get together to come up with really good inventions which could become licensed ideas or startups. And more researchers in the form of postdocs as well. So postdocs and PhD students have been at the forefront of innovation for a long time. But what we are seeing is that this is getting pushed down into the curriculum. So there are incredibly smart undergraduate students who, if they're given the opportunity to pitch ideas and to see how to build companies and products, can actually do very well. And so pushing it further down to undergraduate capstone design projects, which are in the senior year of undergraduate, and also more and more with new master's programs, where the intent of students coming in is to learn skill sets which can help them form companies or do innovation in new ways, and not just join a big company, which of course is attractive as well, but there are many other alternatives now in terms of small and new companies. So we are seeing a lot of interest from students at these new levels, as well as so-called non-traditional students, those who already have a foot in industry or have a full-time job, and they're trying to learn new skill sets at a time when innovation and new business models and new technologies are really important for the economy. So I think we can really drive that forward by pushing and pulling. It's both a push and pull of entrepreneurship into all aspects of the curriculum, both graduate, undergraduate, and professional or executive education.